A very good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Anmesh Kumar Srivastava, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, National Institute of Technology, Patna, welcome all the dignitaries, participants present today in the joint inaugural session of 5 days online faculty development program on the theme Novel Materials, organized by Mechanical Engineering Department and NIT Patna, and on the theme Electrical and Computer Engineering, organized by Electrical Engineering Department and NIT Patna. It gives me immense pleasure to have Professor M.P. Punia sir as our Vice Chairman AICTE New Delhi as our chief guest for today's inaugural session. I also welcome Professor Rajiv Kumar sir, Member Secretary AICTE, for joining us today for an inaugural session. I welcome our Honorable Deputy Director, Professor S.K. Verma sir, for joining this inaugural session. I now take the opportunity to invite Dr. Amit Kumar sir, Head Mechanical Engineering Department, NIT Patna, for his welcome address.
Thank you, Animesh. Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Professor M.P. Punia, Vice Chairman AICTE, Deputy Director, Professor S.K. Verma, NIT Patna, Professor Ramesh Kumar, Head of the Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Patna, and also the convener, Professor Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, AICTE, Course Coordinators of Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Abhishek Singh, NIT Patna, and Dr. Sarabjit Singh, Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, convener of the course, Dr. Animesh Srivastava, Mechanical Engineering Department, NIT Patna, course coordinators of Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Amrish Misra and Dr. Vimlesh Verma, NIT Patna, faculty members, research scholars, and other dignitaries present in this faculty development program, and my dear participants. A very good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you to the joint inaugural function of faculty development programs on novel material being organized by Mechanical Engineering Department of NIT Patna and Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, and the second FDP on simulation techniques for power electronics converters being organized by Electrical Engineering Department at NIT Patna. These programs have been sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy. As all of us are aware that National Institute of Technology, Patna, is the 18th NIT created by the Ministry of HRD, now Ministry of Education, Government of India, after converting the erstwhile Bihar College of Engineering, Patna. The institute has highly qualified faculty of high caliber in various disciplines. Institute offers BTech, MTech, and PhD programs in respective fields of engineering and science. The institute is situated on the south bank of Holy River, Ganges. The Department of Mechanical Engineering at NIT Patna is as old as the institute itself. The department is continuously striving to achieve excellence in education, academic industry-oriented research to prepare the manpower that are globally competitive and capable of leading in industry, academia, and government organizations in India and abroad. The Department of Electrical Engineering was established in 1945. The department is continuously striving striving to achieve excellence in various fields of electrical engineering and industry-oriented research to prepare the manpower for the nation. It has a galaxy of highly qualified faculty members. Today, I am extremely happy to welcome our chief guest, Professor M.P. Punia, at the inaugural function of the E5-Day Faculty Development Program on Novel Materials being jointly organized by Mechanical Engineering Department and the second FDP on Simulation Techniques for Power Electronics Converters organized by Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Patna. Our Honorable Director, Professor P.K. Jain sir, could not attend this inaugural function due to his preoccupations. This faculty development program was possible only due to the positive and encouraging attitude and support of our Director, Professor P.K. Jain sir. Professor Punia, the chief guest of today's inaugural function, is presently serving as Vice Chairman AICT since 28 January 2017. Prior to this assignment, he was Director, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research at Chandigarh for about 4.5 years. He is a renowned mechanical engineer, has guided good number of MTech and PhD scholars. He has published more than 100 research papers in national and international journals or conferences. He has authored 10 books. Professor Punia has significant contribution on quality education, good governance, e-learning towards digital India, Go Green Environment, and skill development. He is recipient of several awards. We are happy and fortunate to have Professor Punia today with us. I extend my hearty welcome to Professor Punia at this inaugural function. Deputy Director of the Institute, Professor S.K. Verma, is the motivating force behind organization of this program. I welcome him in today's joint inaugural function. Professor Ramesh Kumar, Professor and Head of Electrical Engineering Department of the Institute, has left no stone unturned to make these faculty development program a successful event. I welcome him in this combined inaugural function. The present one-week faculty development program, which is organized by two different departments of NIT Patna, will be discussing the various aspects and intricate details of the topic. The experts and learned speakers will enrich with the latest development in this field. Materials, as we all know, have central roles in all fields of engineering. They define through structures and devices our interfaces to the physical and virtual world. The emergence of advances in civilizations to an extent that eras of human development are often defined by the prevailing materials used in engineered systems from the stone, bronze, and iron ages to the present times referred to as silicon or the polymer age. From the academic standpoint, the fundamental phenomena that define complex relationships between chemical compositions, structures, and properties in advanced materials serve as a basis for some of the most intellectually stimulating and dynamic research areas in the physical sciences. The work in this area has additional appeal because it is interdisciplinary and combines study in physics, chemistry, and even biology to an increasing extent, together with engineering processes and control strategies. Progress in material science and in the engineering application of new materials is essential to the pursuit of solutions to societal grand challenges. The researchers and design of novel materials capture some of the breadth and excitement in recent materials research. The other FDP is on simulation techniques for power electronics converters. Power electronics systems are widely used today to provide power processing for applications ranging from computing and communications to medical electronics, appliance control, transportation, and high power transmission. The associated power levels range from milliwatt to megawatts. These systems typically involve switching circuits composed of semiconductor switches such as thyristors and diodes, along with passive elements such as inductors, capacitors, and resistors, and integrated circuits for control. As we all know, modeling and simulation are essential ingredients of the analysis and design processes in power electronics. They help a design engineer to gain an increased understanding of circuit operation. With this knowledge, the designer can, for a given set of applications, choose a topology, select appropriate circuit components, types, and values, estimate circuit performance, and complete the design by ensuring using Monte Carlo simulation, etc., that the circuit performance will meet specifications even with the anticipated variations in operating conditions and circuit component values. No doubt, both these FDP will cover majority of the basics and advanced concepts. These two courses are exclusively designed for young faculty and budding research scholars needing to pursue research in the innovative field of novel materials as well as on simulation techniques for power electronics converters. I am sure that participants who have registered from the different parts of the country will be able to understand challenges and opportunities possessed by the novel materials as well as simulation techniques for power electronic converters. I hope that the deliberation on these two topics by experts are going to benefit the participants. I am happy to learn that about 200 participants have registered in both the courses, mostly faculty members from higher education institutions have registered to attend this program. I extend a cordial welcome to all of them, and I wish a grand success to this one-week faculty development programs in both the departments of NIT Patna. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, music, and art, represents the free flow of wisdom and consciousness. So let's dedicate a prayer to Ma Saraswati and take her blessings.
तो हमारे बात कर रहे हैं। क्या बोल
पद्मासने संस्थिताम् वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
तो पहले महंगा है ना।
I now request Professor Rajiv Kumar Sir, Member Secretary, All India Council for Technical Education, to say few words.
भाई साहब
Professor Rajiv Kumar is a member secretary of All India Council for Technical Education. He did his ME in Computer Technology and Application from Delhi College of Engineering, Delhi, and PhD from IIT Delhi. After completing PhD, he joined DCR University of Science and Technology, Haryana in the year 1990. His areas of research are mathematical computing, software engineering, and image processing. He has published numerous research papers in national and international journals and presented paper in India and abroad. He has visited several universities in USA, India, China, and Malaysia. I request you, sir, to please say a few words about the FDP. There is some technical issue. He'll be joining soon. Sorry for the inconvenience.
और साइन कर दो।
अब हो गया. I think it is done now. Hello, can you
Yes,
listen me
sir.
now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you for inviting me. There is a news that Professor MP Punia, due to some other important commitment, he is not able to join today's meeting. Today's this opening ceremony of two important faculty development programs being organized by NIT Patna and AICTE jointly. So first of all, thanks to organizing these two development programs for giving opportunity to AICTE to share their views on these faculty development programs and various other schemes of AICTE. So respected Professor S.K. Verma, Deputy Director, NIT Patna, Professor Amit Kumar, Head Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Patna, Professor Ramesh Kumar, Head Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Patna, organizers of these two courses and participants. As you know, in new education policy, lot of emphasis has been given on faculty development programs, faculty training programs rather. AICTE realized this importance in 2 years back, and we started an academy that is known as Atal Academy, that is AICTE Training and Learning Academy, and we are conducting faculty development programs in thrust areas since last 3 years. First year, we could train only 10,000 faculty members. Second year, we trained 10,000 faculty members and they were all in offline mode. And this year, we plan to train 30,000 or 40,000 faculty members. But immediately when we started this year, this pandemic started, and we immediately, without wasting any time, we immediately switched over to the online mode. And we are able to train more than 1,25,000 faculty members in this financial year. And still March is yet to come, and the target will definitely cross 1,50,000 teachers this year. And the important thing is that mostly these faculty development programs, they were conducted by IIT, NITs, premier universities, and institute of importance. And the another advantage of this faculty development program was that we could bridge the gap between the institutes in B category cities to between B category cities and the institute of national importance like NIT and IITs. So now the faculty of such institutions, they have access, they have relationship with the faculty of IIT and faculty of NIT. Like I can see these two faculty development programs, they are also being jointly organized by NIT, PAC Chandigarh, and HBTU also. So this is a starting multidisciplinary culture, and the coordination and the bonding among the institute has started. And this is the one of the essence of the new education policy. So I hope in time to come, NIT Patna is also helping AICTE in whether it is conducting faculty development programs or conducting examinations. We are always taking help of NIT Patna, and whatever assignment or whatever responsibilities they are taking, and what we have realized, they are doing all the such duties and responsibilities with sincerity. That is very, very important thing. And we can now further think in increasing the bonding of AICTE and NIT in many more areas, whether it is faculty development or whether it is in examination reforms or in induction programs also. So in all such ways, I hope NIT Patna can coordinate or can help AICTE in making these all such things a mass movement in the faculty, in the academic arena. So with all these words, I once again thanks all the participants for choosing these two faculty programs, faculty development programs. And you know, after the completion of this faculty development programs, a test is conducted, and all the successful candidates, they becomes eligible to get this certificate of these two faculty development programs. I hope faculty industry participation will definitely be there in these two faculty development programs, because it is mandatory for all Atal sponsored faculty development programs to have industry collaboration also. Apart from them, we have asked all the organizers to have one session for improving. So because due to this pandemic, lot of sadness, or you can say because the people are confined to their homes for a long time, so they want to come out from this fear. So we have asked to have one session for say human values, or any other things you want to have apart from this curricula of this faculty development program. Definitely that session will be there, and I hope these two faculty development programs will serve the desired goals, will be achieved, and at the end our faculty in AICTE approved institutions, they are going to be benefited out of these two faculty development programs. So with all these words, I again thanks all participants and NIT Patna for organizing these two faculty development programs. With all these words, Namaskar, Jai Bharat.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your motivational words and valuable guidance. And definitely we will carry forward this association in future also in organizing such technical events. Thanks a lot, sir, for your words. To give a brief introduction about the FDP under the theme Electrical and Computer Engineering, I would like to invite Dr. Amrish Mishra from Electrical Engineering Department and coordinator of the Faculty Development Program to address you all about the FDP.
Hello, good morning to everyone. Am I audible, Dr. Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Okay. So, very good morning to all the guest dignitaries and participants present here. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, AICTE, and guest of this joint inaugural program of the 2 Atal FDP at NIT Patna by blessing with his presence. I, Dr. Amrish Mishra, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Patna, as a coordinator of this Atal FDP on Electrical and Computer Engineering, thank AICTE Training and Learning Academy for giving me this opportunity to conduct this FDP at Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Patna, during 8 to 12 February 2021. I convey my sincere gratitude to Professor P.K. Jain, Director NIT Patna, for always encouraging us to providing the motivation for conducting this kind of national level program. I thank Dr. Professor S.K. Verma, Deputy Director NIT Patna, and Dr. M.P. Singh, PI Computer Center, for providing the required infrastructure for conducting this program. I am thankful to Professor Ramesh Kumar, who is the HOD Electrical Engineering Department, for his favor and the support provided. I am thankful to my colleague Dr. Bimlesh Verma, sitting here as a co-coordinator of the program, for his enthusiastic support and the hard work. Now I am obliged to thank Professor Pramod Agrawal, IIT Roorkee, for his consent to be part of this program as the resource person. Professor Agrawal is the pioneer in the field of power electronics in the country. He has developed many courses for the NPTEL also. And now I thank Professor Ranjit Manti from IIT BHU, Professor Dheeraj Joshi and Professor Madhusudan Singh from Delhi Technological University, Delhi, Professor Shailendra Jain, Director, Sant Longwal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Longwal, Punjab. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, HBTU Kanpur, who is also a convener of this program, and all the resource persons from the different prestigious institutes across the country for blessing us and participants by their valuable knowledge and the expertise. Due to COVID, this FDP is taking place in online mode, so the lab visit is not possible this time. That we can plan in future. As the coordinator of the program, would like to pay attention of all the participants across the country that this FDP will be focusing on the power electronics converters, application of the power electronics in power system, electrical vehicles, power quality, and converters for the renewable energy resources. I wish all the best to all the participants with the hope that they will grasp the maximum content of the FDP for their research and academic activity. Now, thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon Dr. Abhishek Singh from Mechanical Engineering Department, NIT Patna, and coordinator of the FDP to present the theme of the FDP on novel materials.
Thank you, Nimesh, sir. A very good morning to all of you. Respected Honorable Chief Guest Professor MP Punia, sir, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, sir, Member Secretary AICT, our Honorable Deputy Director Professor S.K. Verma, sir, HOD Mechanical Dr. Amit Kumar, sir, HOD Electrical Professor Ramesh Kumar, sir, dear colleagues, and more importantly, my dear participants. It is my privilege to and honor to introduce the FDP on novel materials to the chair and this eminent gathering. The concept of this FDP come to my mind in last year, probably in the month of Feb 2020, when the whole world was struggling with the COVID-19 pandemic. I used to discuss about this FDP with my fellow colleagues and experts from IITs, different NITs, as how to transfer this in the reality of real life scenarios. Finally, the day has come and we all are attending this FDP in order to provide maximum benefit to the participant and researcher in this FDP. And this FDP is offered in online mode due to the COVID-19. Now AICT sponsored Atali scheme has increased the number of seats in FDP 40 to 200 through online mode. The idea behind conducting an online FDP is to give a glimpse of infrastructure facilities available in the mechanical engineering department of NIT Patna to all the participants. Accordingly, a virtual tour of different labs such as CAD lab, Design Innovation Center, and other laboratories of the mechanical engineering department is planned for online participants. In the online participants need not to feel discouraged, as this FDP also has open invitations to all of you on behalf of NIT Patna that you can visit as when the situations permitted you. Okay, and another options of the maybe physically interaction for all the participants in our forthcoming international conference on progressive research in mechanical engineering and industrial engineering. This is short form of the PRIME 2021 at 5 to 7th August 2021. The paper submission date is open for the same. As we know that the novel materials has announced applications applications in the field of medical sciences, optics, biomedical applications, automobile, and aerospace materials, lab on the chip devices, etc. And in the 5 days, next 5 days, the experts are going to discuss all these things in details. The personally interact the discussion of the expert with the expert and try to align their talks with the theme of FDP, and accordingly, their lectures has pledged on the appropriate slot. And I am sure that you are going to feel that sequence in the coming 5 days. The topic going to cover in the 5 days, coming 5 days will be as follows: as materials and manufacturing, and an overview, processing challenges of advanced materials, novel processing materials, method processing, primary processing of composite materials, secondary processes of composite material, processing of nanocomposites, approaches of micro nano fabrications, advances joining, machining methods, processing of green composite, mechanical characterizations, metallurgical characterizations, stress management, and many more. In the last, I would like to especially thanks AICT based Atali scheme and Honorable Chief Guest Professor Punia sir for providing the moral and financial assistance for this FDP, and our Director Professor Pradeep Kumar Jain, NIT Patna, and Deputy Director Professor S.K. Verma sir, and our HOD Mechanical Engineering Department and co-coordinator Dr. Sarajit Singh, and convener Amrish Srivastava and Amit Kumar sir for providing moral and technical support for this event. And from my end, welcome to the world of novel materials. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you, Animesh ji. Please carry the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It is a matter of proud privilege to have Professor MP Punia sir as chief guest for this inaugural session, but due to certain urgent assignment, he could not join us. I now request our Honorable Deputy Director, Professor S.K. Verma sir, to address the gathering and enlighten us. Sir, please.
Respected Professor Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, AICT, Chief Guest of today's inaugural function, Professor MP Punia, Vice Chairman, AICT, New Delhi, in his absentia, Head of the Department of Electrical Engineering, Professor Ramesh Kumar, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Amit Kumar, Coordinator of the FDP, Dr. Ambrish Misra from Electrical Engineering Department, and Dr. Abhishek Singh from Mechanical Engineering Department, NIT Patna. Conveners, Dr. Bimlesh Verma from Electrical Engineering Department and Dr. Animesh Kumar Srivastava from Mechanical Engineering Department. All HODs, faculty members, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you. On behalf of NIT Patna and on my own behalf, I welcome you all in the inaugural session of 2 FDPs of 5 days duration, which is sponsored by Atal Academy. I am happy to note that Department of Mechanical Engineering in NIT Patna has organized this FDP on very important topic, that is novel materials. And Electrical Engineering Department of NIT Patna has organized FDP on electrical and computer engineering. The theme of the program has been discussed in brief by the coordinators, and as they have informed in their address the scope of this faculty development program, I'm quite sure that the participants definitely will get the benefit out of this program. I wish the program to be a grand success and hope that in near future also such type of programs will be organized by different departments of the institute with the help of AICT New Delhi. With these words, once again, I welcome you all and thank you for joining this session. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your kind words and enlightening us. It is a matter of great honor to give away the vote of thanks for today's inaugural session. I would like to express my special thanks to our chief guest, Professor M.P. Punia, sir, Vice Chairman, AICTE, New Delhi. Due to certain urgent work, he could not join us today. I would like to express my thanks to Professor Rajiv Kumar, sir, Member Secretary, AICTE, who motivated us by his words of wisdom. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Professor P.K. Jain, sir, Director, NIT Patna, for his constant support and motivation. Sir has always encouraged us to organize such academic activities. I owe a special gratitude to Professor S.K. Verma, sir, Deputy Director, NIT Patna, for his constant support, encouragement, and guidance. Thank you, sir. I mention my deep sense of appreciation and regard for both Dr. Amit Kumar, sir, Head Mechanical Engineering Department at Patna, and Professor Ramesh Kumar, sir, Head Electrical Engineering Department at NIT Patna, whose guidance went a long way in shaping this faculty development program. I shall fail in my duty if I do not acknowledge the efforts done by coordinators of this faculty development program. Dr. Abhishek Singh of Mechanical Engineering Department and Dr. Amrish Mishra of Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Patna. They have played an instrumental role in conduction of this faculty development program. Forward, I thank all my team members who devoted a lot of time and efforts for meticulous planning and execution of this faculty development program. Last but not the least, I thank our sponsor, AICTE Training and Learning Academy, for their valuable contribution towards this faculty development program. With this, we come to the end of today's inaugural ceremony. Thanks to one and all, I now request each one of you to kindly stand up at your place for the national anthem.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, all of you. With this, we come to the end of this inaugural ceremony. Thank you all for your presence. I now request participants to kindly follow the individual links of the session mentioned in the program schedule for attending the technical sessions.
And one more thing is there, participants, those of you are here, as you have heard, Member Secretary AICT, Professor Rajiv Kumar has told you there will be one test after on the last day. So that means 80% attendance is must. If you don't have 80% attendance, then we will not be able to give you certificates. So, and we have taken all the pains, all the experts are from IITs, NITs and other reputed institute as well as from industry. So there is no meaning not attending any session. So if you have registered, it is your responsibility to attend the whole session on all 5 days. Because on last day, you will have one test. So I think it is clear. So now I think it is 11:40 and 11:45 is the time for the second session. So whatever the link is provided to you, participants, please join on that link. Separate links are there for mechanical as well as for electrical. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. There is an announcement for the mechanical students. Those of you have to attend the mechanical courses. A revised schedule has been sent on your WhatsApp group. A revised schedule is there in which there is a revised link. Okay, so you have to follow that revised schedule as well as the revised link. This is only for the mechanical students. And within 5 to 10 minutes, your lecture is going to start for session 2 for the day 1, that is on Monday. So just check your WhatsApp group. Revised schedule is there with revised link. This is applicable only to the for the mechanical students. Those of you have registered for mechanical course.